Hello, I'm Carl Ralph from RS Technical Support, and I'm here today to talk to you about pneumatic valves. We get a lot of inquiries of customers looking for specific valves or suitable alternatives to replace valves that they've got already. The most important thing when identifying a valve is to identify the number of ports. So this one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ports, and if you look at the symbol on it, it's got 1, 2, 3 positions. So this is a 5-3 valve. It's operated at either end with solenoids. If you look at the solenoid itself, you can see the voltage of the coil. These are 24 volt DC coils. This is another example of a valve. Again, it's 5 ports, but this one has only got 2 positions, so it's a 5-2 valve, and it's fitted with a 24 volt DC coil to operate. This is an example of a different manufacturer's valve. Again, 5-2 valve, and this one is fitted with a 220 volt coil. So these 3 examples are pilotly operated valves. They rely on the internal pressure of the valve to operate. This is an example of a direct operated valve. It doesn't rely on the internal pressure, it's just the magnet that operates the valve. This one is a 2-2 valve. It's got 2 ports and 2 positions. The direct acting valves are normally found in low pressure systems, water and low pressure systems. To determine which type you require, just check the data sheets. Now let's look at how to find the correct valve on the RS website. So if you're looking for a specific manufacturer's part number, that can be typed directly into the RS website. If I take this one for example and enter that into our website, it finds it for us. We can see the valve, and if we scroll down we can see associated parts. So if you wanted the solenoid plug for this, it could be selected. What you can also do, if there's a part in there that you can't see that you want to identify, you can go to the manufacturer's website. This is the Festo website. Scroll down, they also have associated parts. If you find the part here, just copy it, go back to our website, paste it in, and it finds the part for you on the RS website. If you're looking for an alternative valve, you can use our selection filters. Here I've selected 24 volt DC, 5 port and quarter BSP threads, and this has given me a list of all the suitable valves. It's just then a matter of identifying what function you need, going into the actual part and checking to make sure that it matches your application. Just to recap, the best way to find the valve is to use the manufacturer's part number. If you haven't got that, then identify the number of ports, the number of positions and the operation and the voltage of the coils. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, check out our further how-to videos on YouTube.